Hello, this is Dr. Singh, and here is my name right here, right over here, and also on the right-hand side at the top. And what you're watching or looking basically are two different tables, right? One over here, the second over here. The information in both table is same, except in the first case, meaning on the left side, the table is sorted based upon the sector number. And within the sector, they're sorted by the company name. On the other hand, the right-hand side, the table on the right-hand side over here is sorted on the symbol. Symbols are right over here. Symbol basically refers to the abbreviation that is used by the stock exchange. Instead of using the word abbreviation, it's close enough. It uses different characters of the company name, but whatever is decided, that's what the symbol happens to be. And over here, watch. I'm going to read. Note each stock symbol is unique. So the uniqueness identifies which company we are talking about. Okay, so each company publicly traded in Pakistan will have a unique symbol. The publicly, when you say public company, it simply means that the money is spent by the public, which is you and me and your friends. So when the public spends the money, it's called as a public company. Okay. So you own piece of the company. It's a long story, but you get the point. You have a interest in the company. In a way, you own the company, but not 100% based upon how many shares and things like that. And it is being managed by the management company. That is a totally different, by the management of the company. Let's come here because there are too many details. So each symbol is unique, and in order to use the symbol on the PSX that I'll go over in a shortly, must be in uppercase. You have to use capital letters. Let's come over here on the left side. PSX, which refers to Pakistan Stock Exchange, um, manages or monitors 544 companies, including itself. Okay, so the other companies are 543, and one of them is PSX. And let me show you on the right hand side the PSX symbol somewhere. Let's see where it is. P. I'm looking somewhere over here. So PSX is where is RSX right over here. See this company over here? That's what we are talking about. So PSX itself is a company that is in sector number 13. Okay, all right. So we are probably going to work on sector number 12 today, or in this video. Not today, but in this video. So that is this sector number 12 right over here in the yellow color. And this is the various companies, and 30 that you see over here refers to the number of companies in the sector, and the sector name is nothing but insurance. Okay, insurance basically is the industry where they protect you by, of course, charging you some money. And should the things go wrong, like, you bought something and there's a fire or some other, the reason they basically cover you to a certain extent. And again, itself, there are different rules and regulations. So I'm not into extreme details of the insurance, but you get the point. So every house that is there in Pakistan, generally that is insured. Okay. And the businesses are insured and so on and so forth. But let's come to the point over here. So these are 30 companies over here and sector number 12 over here. And these are the symbols of the companies that you see right over here. So these are various companies, a total of 30 companies. And once we understand, and then let me try to show you a Word document over here. Here we go. My name appears right over here, Dr. Singh, and this is sector number 12 on insurance. And aha, comes to the first point. Read and relax. Because when you want to learn something, you have to read, and of course you have to relax at the same time. If your intention, if you are worried about something, then it becomes difficult. And do not panic. There's no need to panic because it's work, which is right over here, or other things that are mentioned is done by the human being. They have created for you, and your job is to read, relax, and work on it. Pay attention to it. There's no need to panic. It's not difficult at all. It takes time sometime to read 5, 6, 10 times to get the meaning of what's going on. So you should always read. All right. So I'm going to read, probably, since it's not too much, I will probably read the whole thing. I'm somewhere over here. Engaged in general insurance business, life insurance business, non-life insurance business, mainly comprising fire, marine, motor, bond, and surety ship, agriculture, allied fire, marine, motor health, motors and health, life business and accidental and health business, general insurance, fire and property damage, aviation and transport, motor, credit and surety ship, accidents and health, pension fund, business and group hospitalization, sorry. So maybe some words are being repeated. That's fine. It happens all the time. But this is the industry deals with these kind of things. And not every company that you see on the right hand side will deal with all of them. Some deals with one, the other deals with the other, and so on and so forth. So it all depends. Okay. So once you are interested in this particular sector, you like particular company, one of these guys over here, you should be reading more about that company. They tell you on their website what and how they do the things. Okay. Having said that, let's come back to this point over here where what happened here is a summarization of the sector, but over here, what individual company like AICL, which is the name of the company, is Adamji Insurance Company. Okay. Like over here, it's a Asia Insurance Company Limited. And here is the symbol for this, and this is what they do, and you should read that. And no data available simply means either this company does not exist or else they have changed their name. Chances are fairly high that it does not exist anymore. It went whatever bankrupt or whatever happened to it. Or somebody sometime one company buys a second. So, each situation is different. So you should read all of this. So let me start from number one over here, company number one over here, and goes on. And you should read, pause the video if you have to. So we have seen up to 11 companies, and I will keep kind of quiet for some time. You pause the video, read what is over here. Okay, let's see now from company number 12 onward. We have seen the 11. Here is the 12 onward up to company number 20 up to here. You should read. We move on to the next one. 21 through 32. 32 companies. Well, okay, maybe. Okay, so maybe it's showing 32. I wrote the wrong thing over here. That 31 is no, maybe this 31. Well, I should have fixed it, but it's okay. So this is so maybe I will do it right now. Cut it from here and paste it over here. Control V and change it to 31. And well, you're doing good. And even that doesn't exist. Maybe that's the reason we have 30 companies. And again, things do change. Even that company may or may not exist. Anyway, I'm sure you're clear about what I'm saying. So my goal is to give you a generic, general information, and then you should be spending more time on their website to see what they are doing. And of course, I'm going to discuss in a separate video about each company as we go along. It's going to take a little time. Okay. All right. Having said that, I think we are basically done with this sector. We will talk about individual company in a different video. With this, I'm going to stop recording this video. Here we go.